All right, here's that motorcycle. I think they forgot to mark all the stuff, scratches and scuffs on it, because there's a bunch. A little bit here in the front fairing, a little right there. So it's just right there. Where else do I see some? Fender looks good. There's a big old dent and scratch on the front fender, cut into the paint. There's scuff there. So my apologies, they just messed up this listing. There's one there. Scratches up on the console. Scratches here, here. I didn't see any under this. Yep, down here. See if it works out. There we go. Chrome looks good on this side. Seat's got a little bit of wear. Let's see where else did I see stuff. There's all this right here. It's like where the paint chipped or something on the back of the lid. Oh, it's this one. This one's got scuffs here. Oops. So it's all here along the bottom. Big paint chip there. Some more scuffs. But that's all in good shape. Oh yeah, there's keys, fobs, backrest. Even has the gold key. So this is a little collector's item, a little thank you, welcome note to the CVO family. We'll get a new battery because the battery is dead. Chrome's flaked off of this. And chrome's flaked off there too. And that. Oh yeah, and then there's some chips here, stuff there. Some more all throughout it. So it's kind of all throughout the bike.